Want to generate AI videos with just a few notebook cells? No local GPU required? Let me show you how to install OVI Video AI on Modal and run it from a notebook in minutes.
Waving hand and said, "Hello, welcome to MuseFlow AI."
Now we will go to GitHub to download the notebook. Then we go to Modal.com. You log into the page. Then go to the Notebook tab and import the downloaded notebook. We will terminate the notebook and then edit the configuration. I will use the configuration of 2-core CPU, 32 gigabytes RAM, and GPU A100 with 80 gigabytes VRAM. You can rest assured that the free account will be granted free use up to $30 a month. Then we will start the kernel. We will go to the File tab to see the files and folders. Now I will run each code segment . Now we will run the main code to run the app. As you can see here, OVI only creates local links. We will have to edit the app file code again. Please follow the steps in the video. We will download the Gradio app file. Fix Share True, then save the file. Now we will delete the old file on the notebook and upload the newly edited file. Now we will run again. We will open public link. Now I will try uploading photo and fill in prompt, then submit. How do you like the result? I will try another photo.
Waving hand and said, "Hello, welcome to MuseFlow AI." Welcome about MuseFlow AI.
Today, we installed OVI Video AI on Modal and saw the generated video output. If you liked this, hit subscribe, drop a like,